Begin the probe. Tourism Minister orders security audit of all major hotels and attractions. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, stunning statistics on mental health, two places that are sending up the stress levels of many Jamaicans. Under threat, man of unsound mind puts safety of residents in one community at risk. And change your policies, why a politician wants the NHT to provide houses for rent. There's also the business review, sports commentary, and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.